What is full service email marketing? That is the question that I want to try to answer for you today. A lot of people think they understand what email marketing is because they know how to sign up for some email marketing do-it-yourself platform. And that's not really email marketing. That's one of the first steps in email marketing, but there's a lot more that goes into it. So what I want to do today is explain why you might want to consider full service email marketing instead of doing it yourself. So this is a meaty topic, there's a lot to it, and I'll try to be as brief as possible. There are a lot of platforms, like I said, that you can sign up for out there, but this is step one of the process. The remaining steps are numerous. In fact, there's probably 200 different decisions you're going to have to make in executing a perfectly run email marketing campaign. So let's just cover a few of them. We don't have time to go over all of them. First of all, let's talk about your email list. How are you going to build your email list? Maybe you already have an email list. Even if you do, you're going to need to keep building it. So how are you going to do that? Are you going to do it with customers only? Are you going to do it with people who visit you? Are you going to visit your website? Are you going to do it with people who call in to your location? So these are the things that we run through as a full service agency, telling you exactly how to build your email list. One of our best tools for building your email list is creating what we call a super collector, and that's something that comes up on your website and offers something of value to your audience to get them to sign up for email marketing. And this in itself is its own little art form, right? Doing these is like, first of all, how do I even get one of these? How do I do this thing? Then you have to worry about, what am I going to offer? Then you have to design it. And then you may have a couple different competing ideas and you're not sure which one's best. So how do you tell which one's best? All of these are the things that we know how to do right out of the gate. Let's talk about content. Okay, this is a huge, huge topic. Your email is all about your content. So, what are you going to say? How often are you going to say it? How often are you going to publish your email? Are you going to talk to everybody on your list, or are you going to pick different segments to talk to? Who's going to write the copy? Okay, do you have a professional copywriter on staff? Is the marketing guy that you're giving email marketing to the best writer that you have? If he's a great writer creatively, is he also the best editor? Is your stuff going to be pixel perfect and grammatically correct when it goes out? So there are a lot of decisions around content. The next thing you want to think about is the template. Having a template that really makes your brand shine is super important. And how are you going to do that? Do you take one off the rack and throw your logo in it and call it good and it looks like everybody else's template? Or do you want something more custom designed? We obviously prefer custom design. We do a different one for every client we have. Then you have to worry about, okay, so if this is the look that I want, how is this actually going to look in all the different email clients? Getting an email to look perfect in AOL and Yahoo and Gmail and Outlook and Hotmail is actually really, really hard. Once you've got that thing nailed, then you worry about, how does this look on a mobile phone? Do I have to pinch and zoom to see this, or is this a responsive message that I can simply read with my thumb, where all the text is full size and the images have been reduced? How does it look on a tablet? Automation. Automation is a huge part of email marketing. And most companies have no idea how to use it, how it works, right? When people sign up to come to your website and they sign up for your email list, what happens? Generally nothing. If you think you're good, you're like, oh, well, we send them a welcome message. Congratulations, you're at step A. We really look at it and go, this is a new person that we want to introduce to your brand. What are all the things that we're going to say, and how are we going to say them, and over what interval are we going to say them so that they become a raving fan of your business? So automation, not just in welcome messages, but there are certain places along your sales cycle where an automated message might do the perfect thing to help you get that new customer. Social media. Okay, you may have a bunch of Facebook fans, but you're unsure how to get them onto your email list. You may be unsure on how to post your messages that are going out in email that you also want to share on social media. So I think you're trying to get the point. I've really only covered probably 20%, but unless you have years of experience or are willing to learn all of the background information to make these 200 decisions about how to run a great email marketing program, then you may need help. What most companies do is they ask one person on their team, hey, can you handle the email marketing? And I guess they expect that person to be the best copywriter, the best designer, a great strategist, sales guru, an engineer, and there's no one person that can handle all that. So what full service email marketing does is it allows you to buy our entire team. Okay, at Email Broadcast, we have an entire team. We have an engineer, we have a professional designer, we have professional copywriters, we have professional strategists and salespeople. All of these people come together to put together your campaign for you and your business. And then once it's built and up and running, we have all the strategy set, we have all the content ideas, we come up with 50 or 100 different content ideas for you. And we have basically, if you think about it like a TV season, we have an entire story that we're going to tell, and we know all the episodes that go along with that story. So we do all of that work, and you can get that for less than an employee, sometimes even a part-time employee, depending on the size of your business and how much work we're doing. So hopefully that answers the question of why should I consider full service email marketing? Really, unless you're a giant company that has an entire department that handles email marketing, really the question is why would you not consider full service email marketing? Email marketing is important. 10% to 40% of your sales can come from email marketing if you're doing it well. So to give that an afterthought and let some intern handle it is probably a bad idea and probably costing you money. Anyway, hope that's helpful. My name's Ken Mahar. I'm the founder of Email Broadcast. We've been doing email marketing only for the last 17 years. And we hope you check us out, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.